to our channel Sparklebox. This is your handy Maddie and I am back with another interesting DIY video. I am yellow, but I am not a banana. I grow 10 feet tall, but I am not a giraffe. I have seeds, but I am not a lemon. I am a plant, but I am not a rose. What am I? What am I? So kids, can you guess the riddle? So this will be our today's DIY. If you haven't guessed, then check this video out. Enjoyed this DIY. How simple it is. You can share your work with me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Thanks for watching.